welcome back to my channel once again. This is Father Bato, and this is the second video that I'm making with reference to the new policy on repetitious content and reused content, as well as AI generated content that YouTube is going to begin to implement against the defaulters beginning from the 15th of this month, July 2025. If you are with me for this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you will need to know or what you need to do about your present videos, the review that you need to know. This is the first of the review. In the subsequent videos, I'm going to show you other side of the review that you are going to do. So let's jump right back into it. But if you like this video, you can do me a favor, follow this page and then click on the bell icon. So let's go about it. Follow me. Let's go. So what you are going to do, go to your YouTube studio. This is my YouTube studio. It's different from YouTube app itself. Go to your YouTube studio and then go to your content. Under the content, we have the videos, we have the shorts, we have the live. I want you to first of all begin with your video. Please click on view all so that you see all the videos that you have. You will need to scroll down from the first video you have. These are all my videos. You have to scroll down from the very first video you have and begin to check if, for instance, you have shared a video that actually does not belong to you. Yeah, trying to do this fast. I have more than 800 videos. Maybe your own, even if it is 2,000, you can just take some time. It's better for you to do this than to begin to cry in the long run that maybe you could have done this. The time that you would have used to write to YouTube and begin to explain that you did not mean it. This is the time that you don't need to do that. You just need to, first of all, come here and make sure that you do not fall into this problem. Okay, this is my first video. Of course, I have deleted some. This is my first video from 5 years ago. Begin to review a video one by one to check if there is a particular one that you do not have. Okay, for instance, I'm going to show you. You see this Ehonanya by Pati Obasi. It's actually a cover song, but I remember that it seemed that I had posted it again after, not just this first time I posted 5 years ago. If I am no longer, or I don't know again if I have posted it, what I'm going to do, I'm going to run a check on it. Now the name is Ehonanya by Pati Obasi. I'm going to use my search button and search Ehonanya. I'm going to search this and see. Okay, you see, I already posted this a year ago, but I had the one that I posted 5 years ago, you see. Ehonanya by Pati Obasi. So which one? This one and this one, they are the same thing. Now, this is what, especially when it is doing well, that YouTube will mark as a repetitive content. Repetitive content is different from reused content. Reused content is the one that does not belong to you, which you got maybe from TikTok, which you got from Instagram, and then you came and used it without making any serious modification on it. Once it is online, YouTube will detect that it is not your own, because everything that you have that is online has its identity, its signature. So what I'm going to do here is better for me to come and delete this particular video. If I still need this video, I want to work on it. See what I'm going to do. I'm going to click here, and then as far as I am the person that uploaded it, I was the person that uploaded it, I can say save this video to this device. So it has actually effectively saved this video to my device. Saving Ehonanya by Pati Obasi. You can see that. So once it finishes saving it, okay, so it is now downloading the video. Once it has finished saving this video for me. So I can now use it, but first of all, I have to come and delete it here. If I want to use it for other things tomorrow, I can easily come and use it for the one I have deleted. I can come here, right? Delete from the YouTube. It's very important. Now let's continue to go up. Okay, we'll now remove this for now and then go back. So it's this one, the one that I did first in this one will continue to be there, but then the repetition has been removed. That is a way out of danger. Now I will continue to scroll up. For instance, let me check if I have another one. This, I knew I had uploaded this psalm by seminarians and priests. For instance, that one of priests, I can search for priests. Know what it gives me. So these are the videos I have posted on priest from Oka. Priest, okay. Okay, I'm free from this one. Yeah, I think I don't have it. I can also search for seminarians to know if I had, maybe there is a video I have uploaded and then because for one reason or the other I have uploaded it for the second time. These are videos for seminarians, okay, Igbo and English psalms. Did I eventually upload this video again? Is what I'm going to check. You see, you see this video 2 years ago, I had already uploaded it here by seminarians Igbo. This is the 5 minutes 45 seconds. You see, 5 minutes 45 seconds, which means I uploaded it second time. So what am I going to do about it? I'm going to delete these ones as easy as possible. It's better you delete it and remove the danger out of the way. So that is what I'm trying to tell you about. Then I continue, the one for seminarians will be removed. I continue to scroll up and check. Now, is there any other video? This is what you can sit down and continue to check on your channels. All your channels. It's very important that you check all these. And with these 5 days or 4 days that we still have, like myself, I know that there are some psalms that I normally post psalms. There are some psalms that I had uploaded, but then because we have 3 cycles from the 4th year, when I didn't know about this, I continued to upload it to make it new for people. But I could have shared simply the link or organize them in something like a playlist so that they can always get it. So this is what YouTube is trying to say now. You don't need to be uploading all of them because sometimes there is some people can say, oh, it doesn't mean that since it belongs to you. No, even if the video belongs to you, once you continue to post it, because what YouTube is interested in knowing is that you produce quality videos, original videos, so that you are not just interested in garnering views. You are interested in entertaining your viewers, educating your viewers, providing quality and quality service and good content to your viewers, and not just for them to view that, so that not the clickbait, not so just that they do that and then you get something from them. So if this video you like it, you can give this video a thumb up and then follow this channel. Of course, I have uploaded my first video in this series. You can always refer to it and click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video on this issue, you'll be able to get it. Okay, ciao.